Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. Absolutely fantastic to have you all with us. Today we're just going to be doing a little bit of road riding as part of the series that I'm doing about beginners tips. The main thing we're going to be doing today is just talking about how to get comfortable on your bike. So yeah, let's crack on with it. We'll see how we get on. Hopefully it won't rain too much. First thing I want to talk to you about is just relaxing on your bike. It's one thing that new riders obviously struggle with to start with, but it's one of the main causes for bikes acting unpredictably or not doing what you expect them to do. It's also a massive cause of sore wrists and numb hands and things like that. So I'm here going along at 40 miles an hour. I've got no weight on my wrists at all. I haven't even got much grip on the bars. I've got enough grip to maintain control, but it's a very relaxed grip. I haven't got my hand wrapped round gripping the throttle, yet I'm maintaining a steady speed. There's no need to be really gripping onto those bars. If you do, you will get sore hands, you'll get wrist ache. On a sports bike, you do need to consciously make a little bit of an effort to sit up. Especially when you're going slow, just take the weight off those wrists, but don't be tempted to slouch down and put that weight on your wrists all the time. Just sit up and relax. There's no reason to get stressed, there's no reason to hang on to it too tightly. You need to keep control of your bike, but there's absolutely no reason to stress out and hang on to those bars too tightly. Just chill. That sort of thing will come with time and mileage. If you can get relaxed on your bike, it will really help your riding. It will make you a much smoother rider. Something that comes with practice, really, and an awful lot of this is just practice. You need to get out on your bike and you need to put miles on it. You need to get familiar with it. You need to understand how it reacts when you ride it over different surfaces. What happens when you do things on it? What happens when you move your weight on it? Every bike is slightly different, but they do react in a predictable way. But putting miles on your bike not only will help you relax on it, because you will understand the way that it behaves in certain circumstances, but it will also just make you a much more confident rider in general. We all started using and riding on the roads at some point in our lives, and it's a daunting experience for everyone. But there is no substitute for practice, and that goes for, you know, anything you do in your life. The more you do it, the more comfortable you become, and the more second nature it becomes. And then when something unexpected does happen, you're prepared for it. Don't go out being a new rider expecting to be perfect at everything. Don't be going out worrying about getting your knee down on corners, keeping up with the other bikers. Just put miles and miles and miles on your bikes. Get saddle time. You will learn so much through experience. The most important thing I can say to you is exactly where I started this video. Please relax on your bike. Just chill out. If you're tense on your bike, it makes riding much harder, and you're more likely to do things, or your bike's more likely to do things that you don't expect it to do. So yeah, relax on your bike as much as you can. You will relax more the more miles you do, so get out there on those bikes, do as many miles as you can. Go to the shops on it, do silly things on it, ride off-road a little bit, practice things that you're not confident with. Ask for help and advice. No one will judge you, we've all been there. But the only way that any of us get any good at any of it is just practicing. There is no substitute for getting out there, getting on your bike and putting miles under your belt. So that's it guys, thank you very much for watching. It's been awesome having you along for the ride. As always, I hope you found this useful. I hope you found it informative. If you have, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment. That'd be awesome. I love hearing from you all. If you haven't found it useful, or you thought it was a load of rubbish, give it a thumbs down. It's all good with me, I don't mind. It's been great having you, and I'll see you all again soon. I'll be back with more content like this, a few more hints and tips for riding for new riders. So yeah, get out on those bikes guys and enjoy them.